Hello everyone. Did you get a chance to learn German language at Goethe Institute? Do not worry. I am a former student from Goethe Institute and I'll take you through the first lesson of German language. This is Introduction to German language. We shall begin with the greetings. Greetings. I'll also give you the translation in white color and the German word will be in orange color. But before that, I will also let you know that there are two types of scenarios when you are speaking. There is formal and informal. When you're talking about formal setup, this is an official. Maybe you are in an interview or in a classroom setup or in offices. You are supposed to use of formal language. And informal, it is used when you are talking to your friends, relatives, people you basically know their names. And let's begin. Begrüßungen. Begrüßungen. Wir haben informal und formal. Informal und formal. Hallo. 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 Sehr force. Sehr force. Mine. Mine. In English is mine. Please take note of the pronunciation. This is German, not English, so it's mine. Also take note of the words in blue. Those are the responses. For example, if someone tells you hello, the response is still hello, but it is in blue color, you can see it. If someone tells you mine, you respond to him or her mine. Just like in English, good morning, just like that. So let's continue. Na, and you also respond gut, danke. This means what's up, Wie geht's, oder wie geht's dir, Mir geht es gut, danke. Alles gut oder alles klar? Ja, alles klar oder nein, alles nicht klar oder nein, alles nicht gut. Was geht? Nichts. Remember, when you are saying nichts, the sound of the last sound S must be heard. Because if it's not heard, it will mean something different. It will mean nicht. Nicht means no, and nichts with an S at the end means nothing. Grüß dich. And you respond grüß dich. Hallo, wie geht's dir? Mir geht es gut, danke. Und du? Ich auch gut. So that basically means hello, how are you? How are you doing? I am fine, thanks. And you? So if you want to greet a lot of people like hi guys, you can just say hello Leute. With that, now let's go to the formal format where you are talking maybe in an office, you're doing an interview, or you are at a doctor's appointment. You are supposed to use a formal, official now format. And our first greeting here will be, let's say it is very early in the morning. It is around from 6 a.m. up to 11:59 a.m. You will say Guten Morgen. Remember, it is a capital M. When it is a capital M, that means Morgen, in the morning. But when it is small m, that means something different, and it means tomorrow. Tomorrow, it has a small at the beginning, and morning, which is greeting, it has a capital M. I also want to tell you that if you want to sound like a native speaker, using this, the word guten, there is this E between T and E. There is this E between T and N. That E is silent, it is not pronounced, so you just say guten. Guten Morgen. And also, Germans, when they are greeting, they consider two things. That is, you must maintain an eye contact. You must maintain an eye contact, and you also have to have a very firm handshake, especially when you are in a formal setup. And the response to Guten Morgen is also Guten Morgen. So if someone tells you Guten Morgen, you also respond Guten Morgen, just like that. You just repeat it. Our next greeting is Guten Tag. Guten Tag. This means good day. Good day, and it has no time limit. You can just say Guten Tag anytime you feel like, as long as it is during daytime. But also, you also need to consider, if it is in the morning, just say Guten Morgen. Don't mix it up. But if you mix it up, or if you just be specific with the time, there is no problem. Remember the responses of these greetings. I have written them in blue color. Next is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. This is in the evening, during maybe from 4-5 p.m. up to 8 p.m. after dinner. Here we have Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Remember, we don't have N at the end of Gute, as we have been saying Guten Abend. Here it is just Gute. Gute Nacht, not Guten Nacht. Get the difference? Gute Nacht ends with an E because it is a feminine noun, but the others are ending with Guten. Those are masculine, and masculine, they end in N. We have Gruß Gott. Gruß Gott. Gruß means greetings, and Gott means God. So it's like hello, greetings to God, or good morning. This greeting is mainly used in southern German, or Bavaria, or Austria. You can also say Gruß Sie. Gruß Sie. Z for formal. It's like Gruß, greetings to you. And here to you, it means like it is a singular. You can't say Gruß Sie if there are a group of people. You just say Gruß Sie. Now, if someone asks you how are you, or how are you doing in German, let's see how we can respond. We'll divide this into two, depending on the situation we are in, formal or informal. So let's begin with informal. We'll also be saying whether we are feeling good, positive, or whether we are feeling bad, which is negative. You just say Wie Geh'Ts, Wie Geh'Ts, or Wie geht es dir, Wie geht es dir. Those are two types of questions that are asked in an informal format. Now let's see the responses. Oh, before that, there are also three more questions. You can ask Alles klar, oder na, oder was geht, alles klar, or na. When you are okay, you just say mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. I'm doing good. Or mir geht es sehr gut. Ich bin glücklich. Ich fühle mich gut. All this means a positive response. Then negative. Mir geht es nicht gut. Mir geht es schlecht. Ich bin müde. Ich fühle mich schlecht. All these are negative responses. Oder furchtbar, that means awful. Und du, that means and you, if you want also to know the side of that person. Negative responses can be these ones. Remember, this is now formal, and when you are informal, you use as sie und sie, which means and you. Gut, danke, thanks, and you. I'm also fine. Ich auch gut, danke schön. Super. Now let's talk about the last part of this video, which is farewells, bidding someone farewell. It is called Abschied. Abschied. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, or auf Wiederhören, Auf Wiederhören. Here, please note that Auf Wiedersehen is when you are physically talking to someone, but Auf Wiederhören is when you are making a phone call, when you are on a call. Then we have Tschüss or bis bald, that means goodbye or see you later. Bis means see you later or see you soon. Then we have Ich wünsche Ihnen einen schönen Tag. I wish you a very nice day. Liebwohl, bis zum nächsten Mal. Schönen Abend noch. Alles gut. Alles gut. Now let's see the informal responses. Informal responses. You can also say Tschüss, Tschüss, or Ciao, Ciao, or machst gut, or bis später, bis später, bis dann, bis morgen, gute Nacht, hau rein. If you have watched this video up to this point, I can tell you that you are way better you are way better. And if exams comes in terms of greetings, there is nothing you can fail when it comes to greetings, when it comes to bidding someone farewell, and when it comes to answering the question Wie Geh'Ts or how are you doing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and if it helped you, kindly put on notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch it. Continue watching more of my videos. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Comment, ask your questions in the comment section. I am going to answer each and every questions. And choose. Bye. Bis später.